Welcome back, it's Steve again from Hunter and Chavy Investments. We're going to continue our series on building the shed. I think it's part 4, I'm going to say. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. This is a finance channel. It helps you save money either building a shed, fixing your car, helping your mortgage, solar panels, student loans, what have you. It's all here. So I hope you subscribe to this channel if you like this channel. If you like to know more about wholesaling real estate, use my affiliate link with Propstream down below. You get a 7-day free trial, no gimmicks. All you need is an email, no credit card needed. So just sign up. And anything I use with Amazon is my affiliate link. So if you use the links below with Amazon, help support the channel. All right. So today, this is part 4 or 3 in our continue series. So we put the pillars in. We've got 12 of these, 3 each one, and 4 rows. So I put these brackets in along with the quick dry cement, post cement by Quickcrete. The silos, I use an 8-inch silo, concrete silo, former tube. So that's all been dried. So now we're going to put in 4x4. These are all pressure treated stuff. So 4x4 is this way. It's a 12 by 16 shed. So 12 that way, 16 that way. So this is a 12-foot 2x4, and then this is a 4x4 by 12. And we'll put 4 of those. And we'll get to work. And then my son's gonna help me with the rest. All right, let's go. Let's grab that side. Bring it into the bracket. Make sure it slides into the bracket. It'll be off a little bit, that's fine. Let me see. So what we did was we put these markers, kind of make sure everything looks good. Let's bring it in more. So lift the other side. I'll go all to the end. Why are you going that way? The harder way. Down there. Lift up. Come to me. Lift up, all the way out. Lift up and push. Up to the sky. Yeah, now come to me. That should be better. Now put it in here. Alright, looks good. On to the next. Then we'll repeat this process. We'll put 4 of these in. Grab the other side. Make sure it lines up with that one. And we'll put it in. Now look over there and make sure it lines up. No, look at that one. You have to look at that one to line this up. Look like it's lined up, kind of, sort of. Go back toward me a little bit. Come back to me. Look good? You have to look at that one. Go down there. Yeah. Down. Come back to me. I want to say probably right about. Yeah, right about there. Okay, push it in. It'll go in. Yeah, force it in. Yeah, just force it in. All right, next. Same thing. Go down there. There. Bring this one, last one up. There. Come to me. Right about there. Good. So that's the first part. You got 3 beams in, 4 beams of 4x4 and by 12. Next we're going to go this way now. Let's start down there. Go all the way to the side. Come out. Oh, that one? Go around. going in. You gotta go all the way in. Go on. Right about here. We're gonna flip it on it like this way. Come in more. Go in more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good. Next. That's why I stay on the outside. Stay on the outside like I am.
Like over here?
Yeah, come around the other way, like over there, where that stick is. Go around, yeah. So it usually helps to have two people. It is a longer piece of wood. And you guys can start to picture what it's going to look like soon here. Last one. Told you more? Told you? Good. How about this one go over here more? Same thing. Told you? Alright, keep going. That. It's always better to stay on the outside, unless you want to come over here and do it. Go on. Come on. That's good. Go there. Go. On the outside. Ah, not enough wood.
Oh, that's what you were going for? I think you need like
Ideally, it's probably supposed to be 16 on center of these. I'm not a builder, so. Let's move it to the left now. You're right. My left, you're right. Right there. Move it over. One more. Yeah, we're gonna be short. Yeah. Bring it all over. Keep it there a second. So now you guys get the idea. So we're cross beaming them. That way all that pressure, whatever we're going to put on top of the shed, stays nice and sturdy. And maybe it'll look like this. Something like this. When we grab that side and put that on too, make it look like this. Just lay it flat. Alright, so the 4x4s weren't leveled to the pillars, So what we did, we took our level, show them the level. We took that long 4-foot level and placed it on top, like so. Leveled out, we get the bubble in the middle, that bubble right there in the middle. And we what we call, we want a wedge between the gap between the bracket and the pillar. We did that, and for every single one, it seemed like only the center was off, so we were able to do that. And then now we're able to square everything up. Square meaning it should be a 90 degree going that way and this way. Same here, 90 degree that way and this way. They call it squaring it off. So, and I measured 16 inches on center, and I counted, and then we should have 8 12 by 2 by 14 by 16s. And I kind of turn on this side, and we'll nail it together. All right, we'll keep going. So we'll do 16 on center. This is a 12-footer. So we're short maybe 4 pieces of the 2 by 4 by 16s. We'll get 4 more. We'll fill in the gaps. All right. If you like this episode, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Where you go spray your neck?
Okay.